See what's
All right.
inside our Play-Doh surprise.
I think Cohen's on a roll. Cohen's going first.
Got one open.
Let Cohen go first. Oh, open it up. What's inside?
Open it. Open it.
Dig in there.
What's inside?
What is inside our green Play-Doh surprise?
What is it?
It's a cow.
It's a moo cow.
A Minecraft cow.
Tell Ani what it says.
Moo. Infinite.
All right, Lily, what's in your blue Play-Doh surprise?
Oh, I can already feel something. What is it?
Is it sparkly blue Play-Doh?
Oh, it's right here. It's right here.
What is it?
Pinky. Sky. I got the cloud guy.
From
Yay!
Trolls. High five, Cloud.
No, me.
All right, Brooks, you're up.
Brooklyn's turn, and then you get to go again. Okay, let's set him up here.
I think I already feel something. What is it? I got Elsa.
You got Anna.
Yay, Anna! Here,
All
set
right,
her up here in the
Cohen.
front. All right, Colin, your turn. You get to do another one. Which one? This one or this one?
This one.
This one. Okay.
Get it out, Coco. Do you know what it is? I bet he doesn't know what it is. Oh, that's big.
That's a big hunk of Play-Doh. What's in there?
It's a creeper.
It's a creeper.
Creeper.
It's a Minecraft creeper in our Play-Doh surprise. All right, Lily.
Go, Lily.
Stand it here next to the camera.
There you go. Feel it. Get it out. Oh, it's right here.
What is it?
I knew you would eat one of those. Hatchimals.
A hatchimal.
It's a Hatchimal collectible. Is it a bunny rabbit?
Yeah.
It looks like a little bunny rabbit with wings.
Wait, Brooklyn. Wait till Anna
How
tells you.
Can I go?
All right, let's see what's in the next Play-Doh surprise.
What did you get?
A purple turtle.
Oh,
It's another Hatchimal collectible.
It's purple turtle.
It's a turtle
I
one.
think it's splashing in the water.
All right, Cohen.
Me. I probably know what that one is.
Look, guys.
What is it?
It's
Who is it, Coco?
I love.
It's Olaf from Frozen.
Yay!
Cute little Olaf.
Done.
Okay, Lily, go ahead. Let's open your surprise.
Oh, she already sees it. Get it out. Open it up. Oh, that's hard. It's hard. Oh!
It's an L.O.L. little sister.
My turn.
Who is her? Or what's her name again? A little
Honey bun.
honey bun. That's right. It's
My
little
turn.
honey bun.
Your turn. Honey bun, no. I'm gonna set mine up. This one. I knew I was gonna get a stupid one. Another one. This one.
Who
You
is
got
it?
Peppa Pig!
It's
Let's do
Peppa
that.
Pig.
Oh, she's holding somebody too. What is it?
It is. It
Teddy.
looks like- Is it a teddy?
Oh, so cool.
Another one.
All right, let's look and see all the surprises we got today. We got Olaf from Frozen. And
Another one.
who's this, Coco? Is he a cow from Minecraft?
Mine goes.
What does the cow say?
More.
Yeah.
Another one.
And we got, look at this, creeper in a minecart. And look, he has a ball on the bottom. I wonder if he rolls. And he rolls. What did you get, Lily?
these? The sun.
You got a Hatchimal collectible bunny. Super cute. And the cloud. And an L.O.L surprise sister. And where is yours, Brooklyn? What did you get?
And I got this.
You have a Hatchimal collectible turtle edition series. And Peppa Pig.
Anna!
And it is Anna. Did y'all have fun opening these Play-Doh surprises?
Yeah.
Did you have fun, guys?
Yes!
Yay! If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to Fun Toy Adventures for
Say bye,
more.
guys.
Bye!
Bye!